Namaste. I'm Khushbu. I'm a mantra and meditation teacher at Atma Yogshala, Rishikesh, India. Today we'll talk about Lord Ganesh and his mantras. We'll learn how his mantras help us in our daily meditation. Also, we'll learn all the correct pronunciations. So let's begin. We all know about the mighty Lord Ganesh, who is worshipped all over the world. He is an elephant-headed god. He is the son of Lord Shiva and Ma Shakti, also known as Ma Parvati. There are many mantras, prayers and bhajans to worship him. And by chanting these mantras, we can create that positive energy around us. And with that positivity, all our obstacles shall be removed. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. For obstacle removing and for all the new beginnings, we chant this mantra. Before making any life-changing decisions, we give a tribute to Lord Ganesh by chanting this mantra. Any new step in our life, like a new business, marriage, a new job, etc., we pray to Lord Ganesh. Om Ganapataye Namah. Om Ganapataye Namah. Om Ganapataye Namah. This mantra we use in Mala Jap. When we have to jap, we use this mantra repeatedly. Om Ganapataye Namah. 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 We chant this mantra as a kirtan. We chant very joyfully and repeatedly as a kirtan. So let's start this mantra. Om Ganapataye Namo Namah. Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah. Ashta Vinayak Namo Namah. Ganapati Bappa Moreya. Om Ganapataye Namo Namah. Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah. Ashta Vinayak Namo Namah. Ganapati Bappa Moreya. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hari Om. Namaste.